turbo. Alright, we made it to this little cars and coffee thing. Something light, something light. Came to check it out. Test out some new gear I got. Some new camera gear. It's kind of windy out here. I was gonna bring my mic, but I forgot the wind part, so. Started out, I got a nice little Mustang here. Nice little carbon fiber. On the Mickeys. It's a good amount of stuff here. I was worried nobody was really gonna show up because weather kind of crazy. It's like low-key sprinkling out here. This guy got this charger over here. Some trucks.
It doesn't look like you have crazy swirls, it's just your gate slope.
Something different. So this is the twin turbo V6 one. This is the first time I've seen one in person. I've only seen the electric one so far. Stickies on there. What's up, dog?
How you been, man?
Good. How you been?
Chilling.
Chilling?
Oh yeah. I haven't seen you in a minute, bro.
Oh yeah, I just got here, man.
Oh yeah.
I was worried if people was gonna show up because it's like sprinkling and
Bro,
shit.
I fucking got here at like 8:30. I was like, fuck, I should have stayed home.
Yeah, it's windy. I don't expect the weather to be all like this.
Did you?
I sit on this. Got the 392. This thing's beautiful right here, though. I like these old school ones. It's nice, bro.
Look at it every day.
Huh?
Look at it every day. You want to do what?
I'm clean right here. Out here raining, y'all. It's a nice color on this one. Oh, you sitting above. There's a lot of Hondas that showed up.
Oh, that's a beautiful lineup right there. We just need the more.
Hey, bro, next car.
This is my wife, Alicia.
My name's Type R Lily, bro. The
A Type R
Lily.
Lily.
You know what I mean?
You guys are all up here? Yeah.
Yeah. Who you be cruising with, bro?
Nobody.
Cruise with us, bro? Type R.
Shit. Y'all, it is cold out here. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cold out here. Feeling worse. to stop. Look at these things. This looks fun. I'm not gonna lie. And their stick too? Oh yeah. Shit look fun, I'm not gonna lie. Check this one out. This man, he got a sub on his.
That you still won't forget. You can fall in love, get mad, have kids. I
Check
still be
that
the
out. I
realest
like how
thing
he
in it.
did the Arizona plates.
Straight up. I was getting some head earlier.
Look like he got his trunk done. Yep. With the scar, he got a little 8 back here. Okay. I got that same speaker. I got a 10 though, but I ain't bring nothing. This is nice and clean right here. Like this SS too. See all the front end on it. And it's a stick, okay. Okay. Ooh, I know this is loud. I gotta hear this one. Start up. Got the AWE exhaust. No, it's loud. The Mustang with the carbon. They love these carbon hoods. Every Mustang, every Camaro always has a carbon hood. Like that's like the first thing you gotta do. With plastic 5.0, you parked the wrong way. Still clean. Evo, I like this Evo. It's probably the best out of the imports. I like this one best. This is clean. Okay. Very clean right there.